pipes, cones, and construction, something we are all too familiar with.
Drivers along Custer Road are feeling the frustration. Lane closures, heavy equipment, delays. What you may not know is why it's happening and how long it's going to last.
The project just south of 15th Street is actually the work of the North Texas Municipal Water District, not the city of Plano. So we went straight to the source for answers.
This project has a couple of benefits for the city. So the first is that we're replacing aging infrastructure. The original pipe that we're replacing was put in 1975. In addition, this pipeline will increase delivery capacity of water to the city of Plano.
While the upgrades are important, residents are feeling the impact.
It's really hard to explain when you're the one on the road or you're the one living in the neighborhood when you see traffic issues and cones.
We know that there are inconveniences for residents when you have these sorts of pipeline projects, but we try to do our best to be a good neighbor. This is all about our mission of providing safe, reliable water service.
Pipeline installation runs through February 2026. After that, they move into a phase of testing.
So essentially, by October of 2026, you're hoping that the drive will be smooth sailing.
That's right. Yeah, if everything stays on schedule, weather permitting, that's what we'll be looking at.
Until then, expect lane closures on Custer weekdays between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. The City of Plano created a website, plano.gov/NTMWD project, to keep you informed.
We'll be working on bi-weekly updates on construction. We'll let you know when lane closures are changing, when streets are closed off.
For now, the drive may be rough, but the payoff is a stronger water system for years to come.